DeepAgent, new super AI destroys Manus and Genspark. Today I'm going to show you something that's about to change everything. There's a new AI that just dropped, and it's not like anything you've seen before. This thing doesn't just build apps, it builds other AIs to help it build apps. I'm talking about AI that creates AI teams on the fly, and wait until you see what I built in just minutes. This could be the end of expensive development teams forever. So let me ask you something. How much are you paying developers right now? 5,000, 10,000, maybe more? What if I told you that number could drop to zero? What if I told you there's an AI that just launched that can build full apps, games, and websites in minutes? I'm talking about DeepAgent. And before you roll your eyes and think this is just another overhyped AI tool, let me show you what I actually built with it. Look at this. This is a full pixel art RPG game, complete with character creation, inventory systems, turn based combat, and leveling up. I didn't write a single line of code. I just told the AI what I wanted, and it built the entire thing. Now, I'll be honest with you, some parts of this game still need improvement, but the fact that I could build something this complex without any coding knowledge is mind blowing. But here's where it gets crazy. This isn't just about building one app. DeepAgent can find other AI agents, connect with them, and build entire teams of AIS to work together. Your AI literally builds its own AI workforce, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. But first, let me tell you why this matters so much right now. See, everyone's talking about Manus and Genspark. These are the big AI coding assistants that everyone thinks are the future. But here's the problem, they still require you to know how to code, they still require you to manage the entire development process. They're just fancy autocomplete tools. DeepAgent is different. This thing thinks for itself, it plans, it executes, it collaborates, and it does it all without you having to understand a single thing about programming. Let me show you another example. I also built this real-time multiplayer word game called Word Grid. It's like Scrabble meets Boggle. Players join lobbies, get random letter grids, and compete in timed rounds. The scoring system works, the leaderboard updates live, most of it functions properly. How long do you think this took me to build? 6 months, 3 months, try minutes, just minutes. And I had a multiplayer game framework that could handle multiple players. If you want to learn more about using AI to scale your business and get more customers, you need to check out my AI Money Lab. We have over 20,000 members sharing what's working right now with AI tools and automation. You can get step by step processes, over 100 different AI use cases, and all the video notes and training materials. Link is in the comments and description. But wait, there's more. I also created this AI powered video editing SAS landing page. Look at this design: hero section with animations, demo video embeds, pricing tables, testimonials carousel, FAQ sections. This looks like something a professional design agency would create. Time to build, just minutes. Now, here's what's really mind blowing about DeepAgent. It doesn't just build these things and leave you hanging, it can actually create other AI agents to help with specific tasks. For example, let's say you want to build a dating advice chatbot. With other AI tools, you'd have to figure out the prompts, set up the knowledge base, handle the fine tuning, and build the interface yourself. With DeepAgent, you just say, build me a dating advice chatbot, and it spins up specialized agents. One agent handles the conversation flow, another handles the knowledge base, another handles the user interface. They all work together like a real development team. And here's the kicker, these agents learn from each other. So if one agent figures out a better way to handle user authentication, all the other agents learn that too. Your AI workforce gets smarter over time. But let me show you something even crazier. DeepAgent can build browser extensions from scratch in one prompt. According to the examples from Abacus AI, DeepAgent can create browser extensions that include front-end design, user authentication, editors, and database connections, everything you need for a professional grade browser extension. This is what they call vibe coding. You describe the vibe of what you want, and the AI figures out all the technical details. For no coding knowledge required, no technical background needed, just tell it what you want and it builds it. Now, you might be thinking, oh, Julian, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Here's the thing, the technology is real, the results speak for themselves. The only catch is that not many people know about it yet. And like I mentioned, some features still need refinement, but the core functionality is there. But that's changing fast. And when everyone figures this out, the entire development industry is going to shift overnight. Think about it. Why would you pay a developer $50 an hour when an AI can do similar work in minutes for pennies? Why would you wait weeks for a simple app when you can have a working prototype in the time it takes to drink your coffee? This isn't just about saving money. This is about speed. This is about being first to market. This is about testing ideas without risking thousands of dollars. The barrier to entry for starting a tech business just dropped dramatically. Anyone with an idea can now build and test it without needing to know how to code or having to raise money for development. This is the democratization of technology creation. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This is going to put developers out of work. And honestly, yeah, it probably will change things, at least for basic development work. But here's the thing, this creates opportunities too. Instead of spending time coding basic functions, developers can focus on bigger problems. Instead of building simple apps, they can build complex systems. And for everyone else, instead of needing to hire developers, you can build your own products. Let me show you another cool feature of DeepAgent. According to Abacus AI, it can create PowerPoint presentations automatically. Not just basic slides, but professional presentations with charts, photos, custom graphics, and proper formatting. They say you can easily make cool PowerPoints with DeepAgent, complete with charts, photos, and all the professional touches. This streamlines your workflow and gets you polished decks in minutes, not hours. This isn't just automation. This is intelligence. The AI actually understands how to structure information for maximum impact. And this extends to everything DeepAgent builds. It doesn't just create functional apps, it creates apps that work the way users expect them to work. The user experience is intuitive, the design is professional, the functionality is complete. Now, let me address something important. When you're building business critical applications, you need to know your data is safe. DeepAgent handles this by running everything in secure, isolated environments. Your code, your data, and your applications are protected, plus you maintain full ownership of everything you build. This isn't like using some third-party service where you're dependent on their platform. DeepAgent builds real applications that you can host anywhere, modify however you want, and scale as much as you need. And the learning curve is basically zero. If you can describe what you want in English, you can use DeepAgent. There's no complex interface to learn, no programming concepts to understand, no technical jargon to master. You literally just tell it what you want and it builds it. Then you can ask for changes, additions, or improvements in plain English. It's like having a conversation with a skilled developer. But here's something most people don't realize yet. DeepAgent isn't just for building apps. It can potentially automate almost any digital task. Need to scrape data from websites? DeepAgent claims it can build a custom scraper. Want to automate your social media posting? DeepAgent says it can create a social media management system. Need to process customer support tickets automatically? DeepAgent claims it can build an AI customer service agent. The possibilities could be endless, and because it can create specialized AI agents for different tasks, you might be able to build complex automation workflows that would normally require entire teams to manage. And here's the crazy part. According to Abacus AI, DeepAgent finds, connects, and collaborates with other AI agents and tools. It handles authentication, teaming up, and storing these for future jobs. Your AI now builds its own AI team. They show an example of DeepAgent learning about mind maps, communicating with other agents, and creating a mind map of its own. DeepAgent automatically creates on-the-fly agents to automate more complex tasks. This is unprecedented. You're not just using an AI tool, you're potentially tapping into a network of specialized AI agents that can work together on complex projects. And because DeepAgent can create and manage teams of specialized AI agents, you might be able to tackle problems that would normally require multiple specialists. Want to build a mobile app with machine learning capabilities? DeepAgent could potentially create a mobile development agent, a machine learning agent, and a data processing agent. They work together to build exactly what you need. Need an e-commerce platform with advanced analytics and personalization? DeepAgent might create agents for web development, database management, analytics, and AI personalization. Each agent specializes in their area while contributing to the overall solution. Whether you want to automate your existing business, create new revenue streams, or build the next big tech startup, the tools are becoming available today. The only question is whether you're going to use them. If you want to learn more about using AI to scale your business and get more customers, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. We currently have over 1,000 members sharing cutting-edge strategies. And if you want personalized help with your business growth, make sure to book a free SEO strategy session. The link is in the comments and description. The future of business is being built right now, and with tools like DeepAgent, anyone might be able to be part of building it. The question is, are you going to watch it happen, or are you going to make it happen? Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you let me know what you want to build first. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.